Hello and welcome to this video, which explains how to create your first GeMRTOS application. GeMRTOS is a generic, embedded, multiprocessor, real-time, event-driven operating system. The construction of a multiprocessor system may appear complicated at first glance due to the numerous complex stages and considerations spanning both hardware and software factors. Certainly, from a hardware standpoint, building a multiprocessor system necessitates the incorporation of various components, including multiple processors, multiple input and output devices, the management of interrupts, the provision of multiple communication interfaces to simplify development, the establishment of memory sections, the implementation of policies for signal coordination and management, among other considerations. From a software aspect, it necessitates the seamless integration of hardware and software, multitask scheduling, task synchronization, multiple processor management, and the coordination of numerous other factors. However, GeMRTOS simplifies all these complex tasks for you. Creating an application using GeMRTOS is similar to creating an uniprocessor project with Intel's GeMRTOS Prime and Platform Designer tools. The GeMRTOS IP component encapsulates all system internals, and it should be placed within the IP subdirectory of the GeMRTOS Prime project directory. Placing these folders in the IP subdirectory ensures that the GeMRTOS IP component becomes accessible within the Platform Designer tool. In this way, the GeMRTOS IP component is included in the IP catalog and can be added just like any other Platform Designer IP component. Platform Designer facilitates the creation or modification of an embedded system tailored for Intel's FPGA devices. When Platform Designer is open, the GeMRTOS multiprocessor component is available in the GeMRTOS group in the IP catalog library. This integration streamlines the process and empowers you to harness the capabilities of GeMRTOS effortlessly. The GeMRTOS multiprocessor component simplifies the configuration of multiprocessor system features. Aspects such as the number of processors, processor type, and processor parameters easily converge within the GeMRTOS component's user-friendly GUI parameter setup. This window captures all of the complicated features associated with designing a complex multiprocessor system, effectively resolving issues that would otherwise demand significant expertise and effort. The fields labeled as GeMRTOS Prime Project Name and Platform Designer Project Name enable the selection of default values for constructing the entire design flow using the GeMRTOS build script file. Within the System Contents window, a distinctive characteristic of the GeMRTOS multiprocessor IP component becomes evident. It is interconnected in the same way that a traditional processor is, with an interconnection bus that establishes links to various peripherals and memories inside the system. This integration facilitates a smooth and familiar interaction with peripherals, despite the underlying complexity of the GeMRTOS multiprocessor's functionality. The GeMRTOS IP component offers the flexibility of utilizing two different clocks. It's crucial to ensure that all components connected to the GeMRTOS IP component share the same clock, which is connected to the external clock port. However, it is possible to connect the GeMRTOS processors to a different clock through the clock processors port, providing an additional layer of configurability. The GeMRTOS framework smoothly integrates interrupt handling, matching the approach of a normal uniprocessor architecture. GeMRTOS's unique perspective enables it to simplify the construction of multiprocessor architectures within FPGA devices, providing a straightforward route for implementation. To prepare for hardware compilation, The Platform Designer instantiation template must be instantiated in the GeMRTOS Prime project. Once the Platform Designer component has been instantiated, the Quartus Prime project should be compiled. The software application can be designed using the Eclipse environment as it is for classical uniprocessor designs. However, for an easy first Hello GeMRTOS application, the GeMRTOS IP component generates the GeMRTOS build script file. The GeMRTOS build script file automates all of the essential operations for building a GeMRTOS application, especially for those new to GeMRTOS and Platform Designer, and improves efficiency during the development of GeMRTOS applications. As a default configuration, a project named Hello GeMRTOS is automatically generated or assumed within the software directory, employing a Hello GeMRTOS.c template. This Hello GeMRTOS.c template serves as a framework for a software application that incorporates multiple scheduling lists. Some of these scheduling lists employ a fixed priority scheduling discipline, while others utilize an earliest deadline first priority discipline. Within this template, a collection of real-time tasks is assigned to each scheduling list, and a producer-consumer scheme is established to serve the serial port included in the Platform Designer project. It should be noted that the Hello GeMRTOS.c template assigns each processor to each scheduling list, with each assignment having its own priority. So, processors are indeed associated with scheduling lists, each having its own designated priority for each scheduling list. This application is subsequently compiled as part of the GeMRTOS build scripts design flow. Once the compilation of both the hardware and software projects is complete, the GeMRTOS build script proceeds to download the configuration file to the FPGA device. Additionally, it initiates the opening of terminals for establishing connections to the GeMRTOS serial ports housed within the GeMRTOS component. These ports comprise a standard input and output terminal, a standard error terminal, and an individual terminal for each system processor. Following these procedures, a multiprocessor application commences its execution on the FPGA device, and the connected terminals begin displaying welcome messages. The application runs multiple tasks organized into several scheduling lists, each one with different scheduling policies. These tasks share resources, handle triggers and interrupts, and communicate by exchanging messages with each other. A closer examination of the Hello GeMRTOS.c code showcases the efficiency and effectiveness of the GeMRTOS multiprocessor environment, illustrating its capability to fulfill your specific design needs. Please contact us at GeMRTOS.com for more information or if you want to join us in contributing to the project. Thank you for your time.